Good evening and welcome to the 2021-2022 Lake Brantley High School Virtual Open House. Now tonight we're going to give you a chance to meet some of your students' teachers through a WebEx event. Now parents, if you need the links to each of our teachers' WebEx events, they have been emailed to you, but you could also find them at the Lake Brantley website. Also in that email and also on the website, you'll be able to find the bell schedule that we're going to be following tonight. And so this will give you a chance to interact with your students' teachers and really kind of peruse their Ecampus pages. Now obviously with Seminole Connect not being a thing this year, we're relying pretty heavily on Ecampus this year for students that are absent, whether they are sick or quarantined or have just an excused absence. We're going to be sending those students to Ecampus to make sure that they continue to keep up with their schoolwork throughout this year. So every teacher's Ecampus page is updated with a message and where to find assignments for all of the students' convenience. We also had our club night, which was originally scheduled to be in front of our open house that we're rescheduling throughout the school day so the students on our campus can interact with leaders and sponsors of the different clubs and organizations that we offer here at Lake Brantley throughout the school day, and maybe garner some interest and join any clubs that they are interested in. So without further ado, again, welcome tonight to our virtual open house ceremony. We will go ahead and start the show. Thank you, and as always, go Patriots.